Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring gardening facts versus myths every beginner should know. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So let's get started. Myth: you must water your plants every day. Fact: most plants actually suffer from daily watering. Overwatering leads to root rot and fungal problems. The best practice is to check the top inch of soil. If it's dry, water. If it's still moist, wait. This helps avoid drowning your plants and wasting water. Myth: talking to your plants helps them grow. Fact: plants don't understand your words, but they may benefit very slightly from the carbon dioxide you release when speaking. Still, this is minimal. Proper light, water, and nutrients are what really help your plants thrive. Myth: the more fertilizer you give, the faster your plants grow. Fact: too much fertilizer can burn your plant's roots and throw off the natural soil balance. Over-fertilizing often causes rapid, weak growth and makes plants more susceptible to pests and disease. Follow package directions carefully and use compost or organic options when possible. Myth: you can't garden without a yard. Fact: container gardening makes it possible to grow flowers, herbs, and even vegetables in small spaces like balconies, patios, and windowsills. With the right soil, light, and care, you can have a thriving garden in just a few square feet. Myth: all bugs are harmful to your garden. Fact: many insects are beneficial. Ladybugs eat aphids, bees pollinate your flowers, and spiders control pest populations. Not every bug is a threat. Some are essential to a healthy ecosystem in your garden. Myth: sugar water helps plants grow. Fact: plants make their own sugar through photosynthesis. Adding sugar water can actually harm roots and encourage mold or bacteria in the soil. It's better to focus on sunlight, watering properly, and nutrient-rich soil. Myth: indoor light is enough for all plants. Fact: while some houseplants thrive in low light, others like tomatoes and peppers need full sun, 6 to 8 hours of direct light daily. If your windows don't offer that, consider using grow lights to meet their needs. Myth: all young trees should be staked. Fact: staking is only needed when a tree is unstable due to wind or loose soil. Most young trees benefit from swaying naturally. It strengthens their trunks and roots. Overstaking can weaken the tree's development. Myth: putting gravel at the bottom of pots helps with drainage. Fact: this common practice can actually make drainage worse. Water tends to sit above the gravel layer, increasing the risk of root rot. Use well-draining potting soil and make sure your pot has proper drainage holes instead. Myth: pruning hurts plants and stunts growth. Fact: pruning helps plants by removing dead or diseased parts and encouraging new growth. It improves airflow, shape, and even bloom or fruit production. Just be sure to use clean tools and don't remove too much at once. Myth: grass clippings left on the lawn cause thatch. Fact: thatch forms from dead roots and stems, not fresh clippings. Short grass clippings are mostly water and decompose quickly, returning nutrients to the soil. Overwatering and over-fertilizing are more to blame for thatch buildup. Myth: watering plants in the sun will scorch their leaves. Fact: water droplets on leaves don't act like magnifying glasses. While watering at midday is less efficient due to evaporation, it won't burn the leaves. It's just better to water early in the morning or late in the afternoon for better absorption and less waste. Myth: organic gardening means no pest control. Fact: organic gardening avoids synthetic chemicals, but it still uses natural pest control methods like neem oil, diatomaceous earth, beneficial insects, and companion planting. It's about safe, eco-friendly choices, not neglecting pest management altogether. Myth: you should always remove fallen leaves from your garden. Fact: while excessive leaf cover can smother grass, fallen leaves in garden beds provide natural mulch. They conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and break down into rich organic matter. Just shred or spread them evenly for best results. Myth: you can't plant in clay soil. Fact: while clay soil drains slowly and compacts easily, it's also nutrient-rich. Amending it with compost or sand improves drainage and structure. Many plants, even vegetables, can thrive in improved clay soil. Myth: adding Epsom salts to soil boosts all plant growth. Fact: Epsom salt, magnesium sulfate, only helps if your soil is deficient in magnesium. Blindly adding it can upset the soil's mineral balance. It's best to do a soil test first before adding specific supplements. Myth: all insects in the garden are bad. Fact: not all bugs are pests, many are garden heroes. Ladybugs, lacewings, and praying mantises eat harmful insects like aphids and mites. Bees and butterflies are essential pollinators, and ground beetles help control slugs and larvae. Learning to recognize beneficial insects can actually help your garden thrive naturally. Myth: you must have male and female types for your plant to bear fruit. Fact: this is only true for dioecious plants like kiwis or holly, which have separate male and female plants. However, many fruiting plants are self-pollinating, like tomatoes and peppers, or have perfect flowers that contain both male and female parts. Others, like zucchini, have both male and female flowers on the same plant. So while some plants do need a partner, many can fruit on their own with the right care and pollination. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the most popular gardening facts versus myths every beginner should know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!